Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In today's video, I will walk you through the process of signing up for a DEX Trade account using the mobile application. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this step-by-step guide will help you get started quickly. So let's dive in. Once your application is downloaded, open the app to begin the registration process. On the app's homepage, tap on the menu icon, usually located at the bottom right corner, and tap on the Sign Up button to start creating your account. Now fill in the required details, including your email address and a strong password. Now I'll just agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and I would not like to receive any notifications, so I would like to ignore that option and tap Create Account. An activation code has been sent to my email, so let me check my email box real quick. As you can see, my account has been successfully activated. If you don't receive your verification email, check your spam folder or try resending it from the application. And yes, that's it. Now you have successfully signed up for your DEX Trade account. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more crypto trading guides. If you have got any queries, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy trading.